I'm putting the vegetables that get sauteed in here in large pieces because not that I'm lazy, just that I want to see it in the rice. And I hope that the amount of vegetables, the ratio to the rice is okay. If not, after the recipe is completed, then I will make the adjustments in the description under the video. Now, we're going to season this because everything has to be seasoned in the recipe. And then later, I'm also going to put some more seasoning on the broccoli and the zucchini, which I am going to saute at the last minute and mix it into the finished rice. If you put it in now, how's it going to look? You're going to have mush. This is garlic, chopped garlic that I chopped myself, put it in olive oil, put it in the freezer. So I always have it on hand. And why did I use these ingredients? Well, this is a vegan dish, so we want a vegetable stock. Well, you don't have to make the vegetable stock. The ingredients are right there. So that eliminates that. Now, what kind of dry herb or fresh herb you want to put in there? That's up to the individual who's making the dish. Whatever you like, you put in there. If you don't like thyme, don't put it. If you don't like whatever it is, just put whatever you like. I'm putting a little dry thyme leaves in there. I mean, there's a million and one ways you can make this dish. I'm only showing you how I put together the vegetables that you can cook with the rice. So we sweat this up, and we're going to add the rice to this. Now this is going to give off liquid, right? Vegetables have a lot of water. So I cut down on the amount of water, the ratio of water to rice. And hopefully I didn't make a mistake. If I did, it will be reflected in the description underneath the video. So there's the rice. And that was virgin olive oil I had in the pan. And there's the amount of liquid needed. And once this comes to a boil, I am going to go away. I'm going to put this on, maybe you don't like doing it, but I'm going to put this on the lowest flame. This way nothing sticks and nothing reduces that much, because I'm going to put a lid on this. So as soon as it boils, this goes on. It can go on now. And the flame will be reduced to a simmer. And that should take about maybe, we'll see, 20-25 minutes. So adding this seaweed. This is dry seaweed, not the one that you use for making sushi. And you see how it is? I'm going to soak this in water and just throw it in at the end. I switched the rice to the second largest burner. That large burner, even on simmer, is cooking it too fast. Now we'll finish it up with the two vegetables. Moderate flame, olive oil. I use virgin olive oil. And since I cut up the broccoli small like this, they're both going in there together. There's the broccoli. And the zucchini. And the amount of, I'm raising the flame all the way, a little more salt. That's a half a teaspoon. I'm not adding any more pepper, but you can. And this while that's cooking, pardon me, drop more oil. Going to show you the rice was 30 minutes. And that's what it looks like. I would say that the amount of liquid to this was correct. Stuck together. Smells good. Anyway, I think the ratio when we get done will be just right. Because we love vegetables, don't we? And this is going to be al dente. Now I could put a lid on this, but then it would almost start to steam. See how the steam is escaping now? So I want to see if I can get some color on this. Just a little bit. Gives it a great flavor. And that flame is all the way. Just like when you put your vegetables on the grill outside, it's a nice flavor. So how many portions is this going to be? To me it looks like 3 portions. This is a dinner. Let me get the last item. Which I almost forgot about. Which will be there's some dried cranberries, and only because I have them laying around, there's some fresh cranberries. That's optional. I happen to like the tartness of the berries. I also like my vegetables al dente. Therefore, in about another less than a minute, I'm going to toss the rice into this. I'm lowering the flame. Take the rice. I want to mix it up. Hope it shows a lot of vegetables. And then I have a choice between adding fresh dill to this or fresh parsley. I happen to love dill. I put dill on my salad quite often. And this looks pretty good as far as the ratio of vegetables to rice. I'm liking that. So now the flame is very low. Just going to take some dill, which I happen to have lying around. I don't usually buy it unless it's for a recipe, and you usually have a lot left over. So what's that? A quarter of a cup? And then we're going to just put this into a little casserole dish, and we'll really see if it looks good. That's it. Going to put it into a dish, and there it is. So that's not enough for a meal, so maybe 2 portions like that is for a dinner, or it could be enough for someone. Anyway, there's about 1, 2, about 4 portions like this out of this recipe. And I just added the seaweed. It's hard to see it because it's dark and very soft, and it just blended in. I hope you enjoy. I made this recipe especially for Danny, D-A-N-I.